Our journey starts here on the bike track known to us as the Yellow Brick Road. It runs through the Torrettas and all the way down into Torrevieja. We go under the bridge of the N332, which is the main coast road of southern Costa Blanca. At the end of the cycle track we turn right onto the Calle Urbano Aregui, and that will rejoin us back onto the N332 where there's a nice cycle track. This is the N332. The cycle track you've got to change here, so you've got to cross the road on a bridge, either over a bridge or perilously go around this roundabout, which we don't want to do. Too dangerous, too busy, and it's a very thin, narrow bridge, and if you meet somebody coming the other way, it's a bit of a problem really, because it's not very wide.
Especially if they've got a bike as well.
If they've got a bike as well, yeah. The cycle track runs out and you've got to cross the road. So you can either go on the roundabout or you can go across the bridge. Oh, sorry. Whoever designed this bloody bridge wants shouting. Here's a passing point here. A little square where people can turn around. It's a little bit wider on the top. It's a nice view. We've crossed the bridge and we're now on the cycle track on the other side of the road, which is really nice. So we're following this cycle track now and Playa So this area is Punta Prima, and we come to another roundabout, and then we want the roundabout after this next one. So 2 roundabouts, we turn left and we go down to Playa Flamenca beach. We should have gone home yesterday, but our flight was cancelled by Ryanair, so we decided to stop and see what happens. UK is very, very bad at the moment, particularly in Manchester, Yorkshire. South Yorkshire's just gone down into lockdown, and West Yorkshire will be next, which is where we come from. So there's not really much point in going home at this stage. And why would you want to go home when you've got it's going to be 27 degrees here today. They don't give you much incentive to go home, so we're stopping here. We're at Playa Flamenca now, but it's a bit of a tricky roundabout this for the bikes. The cycle track disappears into nothing again, and then we've got to cross the road, and I think we've got to go down a tunnel. I can't just remember now, it's a while since we've been here. So cycle tracks disappear into a pavement. This way, follow me. We're in Playa Flamenca. We've taken a short trip of, I'd say about 8 miles. I don't know, we'll have to check it on the map. Our final destination is Welch's snack bar, because we heard on the radio, in the papers, about this really nice bar that is doing beer all day for £1.90. £1.90! That'd be the cheapest we've had all trip. And they're doing breakfast from €2, big breakfast for £5.50, and they make pies. And what have they got there? Look, steak and ale, steak and kidney, minced beef and onion, chicken and mushroom, beef and vegetable. Oh, dearie me.
There's a problem there though, isn't there?
What?
Because you won't be able to decide.
Oh, I'll decide quick enough. I hope they do chips with it and peas. They will do, won't they?
Yeah.
So that's what I'm hoping. And we're here at Playa Flamenca. See the lovely beach behind us. It's a fantastic place. It's a lovely hot sunny day. It's October the 21st. We missed our flight yesterday because it was cancelled. So that was good news, and we're going to get another flight later on when we decide. So what do you think we should do?
Stop here until it's safe to go home.
Stop here until it's safe to go home. Right, well, I think we'll crack on and have a look at these pies. What do you reckon?
These pies, aye, have some lunch.
Let's crack on and look at the pies, eh? Whee! Are you taking a picture of me? Taking a picture of you?
Yeah.
Has it come out all right? Oh yeah. Funny that, isn't
And
it?
because we're on the beach, we don't have to have our masks on.
Is that right? Let's have a look. I don't know where that's.
Mask free.
Right. The mask free. I think it's probably about there. Now if we all spin round like a little unit, watch, spin, 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 spin. You can see the sea behind us now. Spin, 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 spin. Spin, 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 spin.
You just there.
Then we're back to square one. Anyway, on that note, I think it's time to call it a draw. Time to wrap the video up. So thumbs up if you liked the video. So thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And hit the notification bell. 3, 2, 1. Adios.
Adios.